It can never get worse, no matter what happens. It just never gets worse. It all depends on our perspective, how we see it. If we see it bad, it is going to be bad. If we see it good, it is going to be good. We don't have to write a letter and wait for 3 weeks to get a response anymore from a family member overseas. Just pick up the telephone and we get the answer instantly. How far have we moved? How far can we go? Have we, as the older ones, moved with the time? I'm sure we haven't. But you know what we must do? Encourage the younger ones to see how fast the time is moving and how much opportunity there is because of all those innovations that are coming up. To come up with new ideas, make things better and easier. Right now, when we have small jobs to do, we use men with pickaxe and spade to get it done. That's no longer anymore. There's an excavator the size of this table, and it goes almost anywhere you want. So you don't need a guy for pickaxe anymore. The excavator will get into there and get it done. That's because of thinking, making things easier and better for us. Are we thinking and are we making things better for us? Don't we always complain about what happens to the young people when they leave school? Where are the jobs going to come from? Let us think of how many jobs can we create on leaving school. So from Form 1, you're going to start thinking, 5 years. And if I think of 2 ideas for each of those 5 years, I would have had 10 ideas, business ideas. And at the end of that time, I'm sure if you continuously think about it, at the end of the 5-year period, you would come in with a really, really good idea, better than you thought that you would have had. But if we constantly train ourselves and practice, we will get better. It's because we do not practice, we do not get better. And what we're trying to do here is to get people to practice thinking differently, practice doing on your own, practice being innovative, practice doing something totally different from what is the norm. We all know one of the hardest things is to move from what we are accustomed to. And once we can get past that, then we are way ahead of everybody else, because we forget what is the norm and we move to something totally different. And this is what we're trying to bring out to them. I do not expect this to be a success tomorrow, next week, or next year. But I know that it is definitely going to be a success in 10 years' time. And if in 10 years, one person does well and employs 25 people because of this program, we have succeeded in doing what we expected to do. Thank you very much.